Welcome to today's Hydrogen Fuel News Report, where we take a look at the Hydrogen Hub launch in California. The first round of funding is secured, and the world-leading locations agreement is signed. The U.S. Department of Energy, DOE, has announced with the Alliance for Renewable Clean Hydrogen Energy Systems, ARCHES, that they have signed the official agreement to develop a renewable hydrogen hub in California. Of the total $12.6 billion in funding necessary for the renewable hydrogen hub in California, up to $1.2 billion will be federal funding, as was announced in 2023 when California was chosen as the location. ARCHES will be the first of the 7 locations throughout the rest of the United States that will be signing their own agreements with the DOE. The ARCHES Hub in California will be a center for clean, renewable H2 production facilitation across several sites. The H2 will be used for generating CO2 emission-free energy to make it possible to reduce reliance on fossil fuels in the region. The goal is to use it for the decarbonization of port operations, heavy-duty trucking, and public transportation, slashing carbon emissions from those sectors by 2 million metric tons. That is the equivalent to removing the emissions from about 445,000 gasoline-fueled cars from the roads. The governor has backed the Hydrogen Hub strategy. California is revolutionizing how a major world economy can clean up its biggest industries. We're going to use clean, renewable hydrogen to power our ports and public transportation, getting people and goods where they need to go, just without the local air pollution, said California Governor Gavin Newsom. Thanks to the Biden-Harris administration, California is excited to pioneer this world-leading initiative that'll show other states and countries what's possible when you prioritize clean energy and public health. California Governor Gavin Newsom. Earlier this month, the state launched some other H2-powered firsts, particularly in the transportation field, such as the hydrogen ferry that entered the water in San Francisco Bay, as recently reported by Hydrogen Fuel News. California was also home to a successful 523-mile flight of a hydrogen-powered plane. Heads of ARCHES are highly enthusiastic. There has been substantial enthusiasm voiced by the leaders in ARCHES regarding the signing of the agreement for the Hydrogen Hub. I was proud to help secure $1.2 billion of federal investments through the bipartisan infrastructure law to build a hydrogen hub right here in California, said Senator Alex Padilla. The path to achieving California's ambitious clean energy goals runs through ARCHES, and I'm excited to see the California Hydrogen Hub kickoff with this initial round of funding. California is leading the nation with the first hydrogen hub to sign a cooperative agreement, and we will continue to lead by decarbonizing goods movement, the energy sector, and heavy industry. The Department of Energy's announcement to fund ARCHES is a monumental step forward in the state's efforts to achieve its air quality, climate, and energy goals, while improving the health and well-being of Californians and creating new green jobs across the state, ARCHES CEO Angelina Galateva went on to say. We are grateful to the DOE for its commitment to building a sustainable hydrogen ecosystem and marketplace, and look forward to working with our project partners, stakeholders, and diverse communities throughout the state to make this project a success. Formally signing this cooperative agreement with the Department of Energy to develop California's renewable hydrogen hub is a pivotal milestone on California's march to carbon neutrality, economy-wide, said a statement released by D.D. Myers, founding board member at ARCHES, GoBiz director, and senior advisor to Governor Gavin Newsom. We are eager to put Californians to work building the future, a future powered by clean, renewable hydrogen that benefits all California's residents. Thank you for watching Hydrogen News with us today. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more Hydrogen Hub updates.